Hello, friends. Welcome to Steno Aspirants. Be ready. Start. Water is one of the most important substances for life on earth to function. It is equally important for humans as well as animals. Water does not merely help us survive, but it is significant for our day to day functioning. It has numerous uses when we come to think about it. Majority of our earth is covered with water itself, but not all of it is safe for consumption. Therefore, it makes it essential for us to utilize this transparent substance chemical wisely. Moreover, if we look at the shortage of water happening in our country, it makes it all the more important to conserve it immediately. As we have already said that water has numerous uses, we will see where it is used. This part will most importantly help us realize the importance of water. It will make humans aware of what absence of water in the following areas can do to human life. As India's main occupation is agriculture, water is exhaustively used here. Irrigation and cattle rearing requires a lot of water. Thus, a lot of farmers' livelihood depends on it. Further, industries use water for various purposes. It comes in handy when cooling, manufacturing, and transporting several goods. For instance, thermal power plants consume quite a substantial amount of water for their running. Furthermore, the domestic use of water cannot be left behind. In the day to day life of the common man, water plays a vital role. That is to say, from drinking water to washing utensils, we need water every step of the way. After that, plants need water to survive and make food. It is one of the main elements which help them grow. Hence, water is extremely important for humans, animals, and plants to survive. While water is quite essential and yet so scarce, however, people fail to realize this fact. They waste water with little or no care for the results of this activity. There are various ways in which one can avoid wasting water. To begin with, all households must get their leaking taps checked. They should fix them immediately as every drop is precious. Similarly, we must choose buckets instead of showers for bathing. This is a very debatable topic and it needs to be settled. Showers waste a lot of water, so people must prefer buckets. This particular habit is quite commonly found in most of the households. People do not turn off their taps while brushing their teeth and washing utensils. Always remember to keep the tap off when doing so. In addition, encourage rainwater harvesting system in all homes. This can help conserve water like never before. In short, water is essential for the survival of mankind, but it is unfortunately being wasted rapidly. Every citizen and government must come together to tackle this issue. Governments must ensure all areas get water equally. On the other hand, citizens must keep in mind to use it wisely and not waste it unnecessarily. Stop.